basura namin dyan. Tabi ko na mag no, it's this truck. Recycle. I know he's picking up those furnitures and appliances. Marumi na yung kan. They haven't done spring cleaning on all the windows. Summer na. Bakit hindi nila ginawa yun? No, it's okay. I can go there. My feet are better today. So we are teaching Kuya on how to use the app boss. So when he do his own laundry, whoop, he will do it by himself. You can also use this one. Just use your coins. Put money here, and it will give you quarters. It's just that it's better on the app because you will get rewards. Over here, earn $3 in loyalty just for downloading. So you already earn $3 just for downloading, and then you will get $5 more for loyalty when you use $10. So we'll see if you get $8 because that's what I get in the first time. There is an ATM here too. So Kuya already put fabric softener and a pads, so you can start scanning like that, and then you will choose payment, and then there you go, and then it already okay. So it says perm normal. Okay, Kuya, press normal, and you always have to use normal hot or normal warm, either one. It depends on you, on if you like cold also, but I usually use hot one just to cleanse it better. So you press that one and it will show that up, and then press start. It will start for you in a little bit.
Do I have to press?
Oh, you haven't? Oh, there you go. It's still going. All of them are going. So there you go. Alright, you choose normal hot, and it's 29 minutes. There you go. Okay, now it's starting.
Will they all start?
Yeah, you press start for all of it. There you go. And it will start putting on water. See? It's just blurry. Just be very careful because sometimes this one, if it starts putting on those, kuhan sila. Now they're starting. There you go. Alright. Sounds good. So you just have to wait 29 minutes and then transfer it over there later at the dryer.
What if I use the heat one?
Yeah, you have to use the app as well over there.
Can
Here.
I use this big one?
Yeah.
Actually, I can
You
throw
can
all
put-
of them in there.
Yeah. Because you have to pay $3.50 anyway, or $4.50 for that one. If you want to use that one for $50. Yep, still fit in there, but it's just that it's harder to I don't know. You just have to try later. Maybe you can put it on $2. So tapos na yung 2 minutes pa pala. What the heck? So what you do is just scan it. Yep, press the scan button. Yep, and it will go through. There you go. And then choose what payment you're gonna go to, and it will start for you. So you start with $2. Let's see. Oh, you don't have money. Use this one. Yep.
I used the $3 there already.
Yep.
$2 off. This
So it will.
works for both.
Yep. There you go. So when it start that one, press the hot. Keep doing that. Sometimes it will give you more. No, this one here. You have to start the top. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Yay. Is mine unlimited? Pang isang load. Now the girls are tupi-tupi. Ay nako. Mga labandera. Ayan o. Dumarating na yung labandero. There you go. Good job. Mga socks na lang, kuya.
Already got everything else done.
It's quick if you do it right away. Mga labandero, mga labandera. Good job.
Chicken rat, chicken rat, chicken rat. Ha!
Let me see.
Yep. Sweet.
Babautin.
Actually, this song's by or he helped compose it.
Kuya has to learn to do his laundry now.
Perks of moving out.
That's part of life. I move out when I'm 19, or actually I'm on 5th grade.
What?
I live on my grandma. I have to learn my own. 5th grade.
Oh no, this one's messy.
All right, good job.
This song. This song.
So one of them is L.
And I saw that you also the Tokyo.
Oh yeah.
Good job, Kuya. Good job, girls. That's how you grow up. Grow up.
I don't know what happened to this hat. It looks
Why?
It looks weird. Look at it.
Because don't wash it on the washer and dryer. Just hand wash those. Oh my gosh, I
I don't know if
never.
it's gonna fit me anymore.
Ay naku, mag-shrink talaga.
It works.
Kapag sa dryer,
That's fine.
i-hand wash lang yan.
It still works.
I mean, you're gonna be getting a different job anyways.
Yeah, I don't.
Well-
I no longer work at